Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm not going to be doing gaming, but I'm going to be teaching you guys the basics of HTML, also known as HyperText Markup Language. It's a form of software engineering and coding that can be used with CSS and JavaScript. It's used for designing web pages and games. And yeah, let's get into it. I have a link where you can actually do your own code too. So it's in the link in the description below. You can click that. I'm using it right now. So yeah, let's get into it. So every single time you do HTML, you always need to start it off. So every command you start off with these brackets, these things. So you start off everything with HTML. HTML and end it with /HTML and then put that. You always put these so the thing knows that it's a command. And slash means, and when you put the same thing except with a slash at the beginning, that means it's the end of the command. So now let's work on everything inside. This is the HTML is saying that where the HTML is going to start and where it's going to end. So let's start. What you always need in HTML is a head, then we /head for the end, and a body, kind of like a human, because you always need a head and a body. The head contains things like the title, and normally when you use a thing where you create apps, then up here is where the title would be. The title would be like up here. So then so I'm gonna name this title project. Yeah. So it would normally be up there, but because we're using this, then it won't be up there. So the only thing that's in the head right now is the title, and that's the basic stuff. You'll get into more advanced stuff later on. Then in the body is like where you contain all this hard stuff, like the things you see. Like, okay, so H1, that then you end in H1. That means a large heading. Heading 1. Whatever you put inside of it will be large and will be put on the screen. So if I put snack, then boom, we got snack. If I put serious, then boom, we have serious. Now you can make the heading smaller by turning H1 into H2. Now we put down snack, and boom, it's smaller. You can do 3 as well. You can do it as short as you want. So we have snack right here. We also have paragraph, where you write down like long texts. It's just P. Yeah, so I can put down one snack ate some meat with his mom. So then we have it in a paragraph type of font. Those are the types of fonts. So yeah, H1 and H3 are the normal types of fonts that you can use in the body. We also have IMG. IMG means image. Then SRC means like this is going to be the image link. Then you need an equal to sign and then quotation marks. Then you need to go somewhere like on Google and you need to find something good. But luckily on CodePen you can go to like shortcuts, no, not here. Comments, no, assets. Yeah, photos. You can go on CodePen, you can go to photos and you can find a beautiful photo. Snack. Oh, these are beautiful snacks. Okay, so we have then we can put it in this src, and we don't need to put down /image src because we don't need to do that. And now what should happen? Yeah, we have this giant snack. What you can also do once you finish it and it's too big like this, you can change width to, then you have quotation marks. Almost everything needs to be in quotation marks. So you have width, you can make it 30. It goes into pixels, so we can make this 30 pixels. That's way too small, 300. And same thing goes with height, but I like the height. And boom, we got the snack. And yeah, those are some basic HTML commands. After image, we also have iframe. Yeah. src is equal to, now we can go to something like Google Maps, and we can go to like, Spain, France. Yeah. So then we can go here, and after src, we can put it like right here. But don't forget to use the quotation marks. Google.com refused to connect. Sometimes Google can refuse to connect like this, but yeah, most of the time it works. So yeah, we have that. We also have A, that means anchor. We can do A her F, that's like, is equal to, we can go to a cute little snack like this, I don't know, and then we can do this, and we can do this, then /A. For the iframe, you don't need it you don't need to slash it. Alright, so inside of the slash, we can put like a name, like we can do snake instead of snack. I put the name snake, and boom, we have snake right here. And it's underlined and it's clickable because when you click it, then it leads you to a new page. This page turns into the page you want it to go to. But however, if you don't want it to change pages, then you can do target is equal to blank, underscore blank. And then, boom, it leads us to snack. Except, oh yeah, we got snack. And boom, these are called anchor tags. We have A for F. I'm going to repeat it. A for F. Then we have all of the where you want it to go. You can do target is equal to underscore blank in quotation marks, because if you want it to go to a new page, then inside of the opening of the end of the beginning and then the end, we put snack or whatever you want, and boom, it takes you somewhere else. And so yeah, that is the intro to HTML. I hope you enjoyed. This is very short. See you in the next video. Bye.